Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 30903. The job location is in Boca Raton, Florida. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: Azure Data Factory, Big Data, Cloud Technologies, HD Insights, Azure Data Lake, responsible for project architecture finalization, work closely with the architect, Infosys Cloud Architect, and JCI ingestion team, and to create and deliver solutions. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.